Hi besties, nimewamiss. So how's your 2 months guys? Mlikuwaje?
Oh, Sharkeisha! Oh my god! Sharkeisha!
Happy New Year by the way, how old of me? I hope 2025 brings you happiness and joy that 2024 didn't bring.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I really hope for the best. But I'm just hoping this video is recording na nakaa vizuri because I sioni simu.
Oh my god!
Should I just tell you where I was? Actually, I've been missing for 2 months. Kuna wenye wali notice, kuna wenye hawaku notice, and it's all fine. It's all good because we are here today. Ama ni aje? I'm drinking milk and bananas. We're living healthy. No. Hii tumbo lazima iende. Lazima tukue na hiyo mwili ya. Yeah. Let me just tell you where I was as I pick my outfit. Yeah, cause Nona. Okay, I'm not going by myself by the way. Nenda na my friend for a maintenance day. I'm excited. I hope this video is recording. Guy, aki sioni ukweli. Excuse how I look with my stocking kwa kichwa, but mitabidi me understand. Show you my pajamas. So, no, navaa nini kwanza, wacha hivyo. Nasema hadi sijapik by the way. I only know nitavaa hii trouser. Nasijui nitavaa nini juu. This one. It's like a very flared trouser. Black one. So you can pair it with any color. Sitaki complain juu kumekuwa kukinyesha. So hii jua ni blessing. So let me tell you. My last video ilikuwa lini? November, the last week of November. 29th hapo somewhere, the last Wednesday ya November. So, let me tell you guys, when I tell you I was locked in for December. This is a tip for those who want to start YouTube. On YouTube, watu wengi huwa wana flourish during the December period because watu wengi they are off school, they are off work. So watu wengi wako home and that means more people will wataingia YouTube and there's a high likely chance utakuwa kwa homepage yao. And there's a high likely chance they'll watch your video. And also, what does that mean? Views. And what does views mean? Money. So, a lot of people like wana postingi consistent December. Hadi ndo maana unaonanga kuna hiki kinaitwa vlogmas. Yeah. So, I was locked in. Nafaa kuchagua nguo guys. But then, November naona tu message from our school. Ati school resumes on December. Mimi hadi akili yangu ilikuwa Christmas already. Sisi public, mimi niko kwa public university. And ilikuwa na hii lecturers strike whatever. Na sisi tutajua sasa nimebounce. We'll just start afresh next year, sasa 2025. Kumbe tunaambiwa turudi shule December. The first week of December. Akili isha switch off, ishafika Christmas. And you're here telling me tunarudi classes. Na sasa hiyo December it was hectic because we had cuts. Hatukuwa tumefanya cuts hadi tulikuwa tumefanya cut moja. So tulikuwa tunafanya cuts zote. Plus lazima sisi tumalize syllabus. Just a lot of things. Sasa vile niliona tu hiyo message nikajiambia, you know what? A 1 month break is not bad. Si mbaya. Okay, ikafika time ya Christmas. Nikafikiria, by the way pia January sita post. You know why? I need to pick clothes. January sita post. And that is because we have exams. End of semester exams. Just atungeifanya December. Usually tunafanyanga December, but sasa juu December ilikuwa na vitu mingi. There's a lot of stuff going on. So, kasema we'll do it on January. Yani hadi we celebrate Happy New Year in peace. Unakumbuka tu kwa exam. So tu pia ndo January imeenda shua. But here I am for February. We are here. Yes. Nataka hii top, but sasa black on black. Nini naendeleza? Black, everything is black. So I think nitaweka kitu popping color juu. Like a cardigan ya a popping color ndo isikae tu black. I think I'll wear this. Or niko na ingine nasikia kuvaa leo purple na black. So either hii ama ya short sleeved ama hii. But this one is like short sleeved. We'll see which one looks better. This or this.
One eternity later.
I've washed my face. Sasa, you may notice after this day of maintenance, sirudi hapa narudi inaenda home. So, I have to pack some clothes. Yeah. This is the outfit. But sasa sijui kama nivae hii. It's long sleeved. And this one, which is short sleeved. They are the same color, purple. Kwa camera ikai pastel, but in real life ni pastel purple. But the top I'm wearing is long sleeved. So sijui kama ina hii long sleeved inazendana na short sleeved, or should I just wear the long sleeved? I'm just confused. But tutaona. Nitavaa tuone which is better. Tuoge and then be back.
Approximately 10 hours later.
This is the feet without anything. Ile tu ya black. Tuone gani nitavaa. This one. It's not bad, but it's not good. I like this better. Yeah, this is better. I'm gonna wear this. It's my full fit. I'm wearing. Napenda hizi trouser. Yeah. Now let's deal with my hair. Nishavaa, nimeoga, everything.
What's happening? Huh?
I just need to define hizi curls ziache kushikana. Unaona? Curl activator. Since sina time ya kupaka each and every curl, I just nazipaka zikiwa pamoja. Right. But hii nywele imekaa like almost 1 month sahi, and kama hizi curls zinaweza achana hivi like haziachani kabisa, but I can work with it. Kama ushaiweka goddess braids before, you know it's a struggle. Like the Spanish is a struggle. But anyway, maybe nipake huku chini sasa. The phone is my mirror, so kiona na stare and then I'm done. Nimefanya lip combo off camera, but this is how I look. My friend is here, by the way. Anangarishwa ne kwa edges. So, tamuona. Bado huyu mrembo. Aya, now we are ready to go. Huyu naye alikuwa anakaa vizuri. Ameamua atoe. We are getting late. Kidogo anataka kuvaa hii kitu. Kofia.
Nisaidie kichana. Nisaidie kichana.
Niko na kichana kule ni. Tunashika na braids. Kuna pale ni kama kichana. Oh. This girl. Okay, alikuwa tu sawa. Alikuwa smart. But sijui devil ni kudanganya.
5 minutes later.
Sasa imagine style imerudishwa ile ya kwanza. Tumewaste time. Yeah, that's girl problems for you. Naona kenye roommates wangu wananibebesha. But you know, you support them because they have a business. Ya manguo ya maxi skirts, if you want a maxi skirt, yeah, tag them. Ndio hizi nazipeleka town. Since naenda town, so hakuna haja ya ban fare. Na mimi naenda town, so I'm just taking it for them. Yeah. And yeah, first stop, metro grooming. Lakini metro ndo tunaenda kufanya nails. Tunafanya nails kwanza and then lashes baadaye. We're going to the next spot. Sasa tunaenda Belani. There's so many people. Tunapeleka place ingine sasa. Tuone, we hope for the best. Guys, yanakaa sawa. Hadi ijaisha na ndio yana 10.